Hey guys, Cody Barton here. Welcome back to my channel. I want to just address this because I have a lot of conversations with wholesalers just like yourself about all the taxes that you're paying in your business. The reason we got into this business, at least the reason I got involved in real estate wholesaling, is I wanted to make a lot of money. And if you got into this business and now you're starting to get deals going, you're starting to make money, or maybe you're watching this and you're like, dang it, like I'm actually starting to make a good amount of money in my business, or you're starting to worry about that anyways. What you can do, and this is something that, as of the recording here in 2021, tax laws and everything can change every year. And so you want to address this with a CPA that knows what they're doing and knows all of the, things around, tax law and everything. But basically what I do in my real estate business is with my active income from wholesaling properties, fix and flipping properties, they're all taxed at a really high rate. And so to prevent myself from having a really large tax bill at the end of the year, what I do with my partners is we have meetings with our CPA every quarter, and we have conversations around the amount of money that we've made that quarter. And then we have a conversation, a separate one, around, okay, we've made this much. How much real estate do we need to purchase to get tax write-offs? Because when you purchase real estate to hold it, you get a lot of benefits. I have other videos on my channel you could check out, talking about the other benefits, the cash flow that you can get, the long-term appreciation you can get from holding real estate as well. And then that mortgage pay down on that property that's, building that long-term wealth. But my favorite part of holding, residential or commercial real estate for the long term is the depreciation write-off, which basically means if I go and buy real estate as a rental property or an investment property, I'm able to legally, based off the tax code, write off a percentage of my taxes and reduce my tax liability. So not only am I building my long-term wealth by buying a cash flowing asset that's growing my net worth over time, I'm legally reducing my tax liability. And so if you are not doing this, or you don't know how to set something like this up, you need to get with your CPA. And if your CPA does not know how to do depreciation and help you reduce your taxes, you can reach out to the guys that we work with specifically, PCS. I'll have their link in the description below. So, you need to have a resource. At the end of the day, if you're in business and you're doing deals and you're growing and you're making money, you need to have a resource that's gonna help you save money on taxes so you can do more with that money, grow your wealth, and then enjoy that money more. So if you have any questions for me, feel free to post those in the comment section below. Happy to answer those for you. And as always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.